Hi everyone, welcome to Kadiköy. So Kadiköy is a neighbourhood on the Asian side of Istanbul, and it probably is my favourite neighbourhood in the entire city. So I absolutely recommend that you come to Kadiköy and check it out. It's located on the Asian side, so if you are staying on the European side, then you do need to take a ferry over. Luckily, the ferry system in Istanbul is part of the public transport system, so you can use an Istanbul card to use the ferries. So just like you would use the Istanbul card to use the metro, the buses, the trams, you can tap your Istanbul cards through the barriers and you can take ferries to the other side of the city depending on which side you're staying on. So if you are staying on the European side, you absolutely should come to Kadiköy because it's such a lively neighbourhood. It's so vibrant. There's bars, cafes, restaurants, everything you can imagine in this neighbourhood. And as I said, I probably think it is my favourite in the entire city. So if you do click on the description right now, you can actually book a walking tour of Kadiköy if you'd like. So if you are coming to Istanbul and if you are thinking about coming to Istanbul, please click on the description right now. So click on the description and you can use the link in the description to book a walking tour of Kadiköy, which I highly recommend because you get to learn more about the district. So I was very lucky when I was in Istanbul because it was the 100th anniversary of the foundation of the Republic of Turkey. So this was recorded this video here one day before the celebrations, one day before the 100th anniversary, and everyone was already in the mood to celebrate. So it was a fantastic time for me to come, and I was very lucky that I was there to see it. So please do click like right now. So click the thumbs up, click the like button, because it really does help other potential travellers who are coming to Istanbul get a chance to see the Kadiköy neighbourhood. And now click the subscribe button too. So click subscribe if you haven't already done so. I think it does really help the channel out. So thank you very much. Click like, click subscribe, and do that right now. And again, if you are interested in booking a walking tour of the neighbourhood of Kadiköy, please do click the description and do that right now. Now, drop a comment in the comment section if you have been to Kadiköy, or if you maybe live near Kadiköy from Istanbul. Drop a comment in the comment section and tell me whether you like the neighbourhood. So do you like Kadiköy? Have you been before? Is it your favourite neighbourhood in the entire city? Or do you have a other favourite neighbourhood in the city? So is there another neighbourhood that you prefer other than Kadiköy? Drop a comment in the comments below whether you prefer Kadiköy or another neighbourhood. Personally speaking, I do think it probably is my favourite because it's very lively, so vibrant, there's restaurants everywhere, it's very affordable. I think it's probably my favourite, but do drop a comment if it is your favourite or if it's not your favourite neighbourhood. And also do drop a comment as well if you're planning to come to Istanbul sometime soon. So drop a comment right now. Tell us if you are planning to come, and tell us what you're planning to do and whether you are planning to come to Kadiköy. So again, I definitely recommend it. It is located again on the Asian side of the city, so if you are staying in the European side, you will need to get a ferry over, but the ferries are very affordable. It will cost you about roughly 22 lira on your Istanbul card, which is kind of like an Oyster card that you would use in London. So it's your public transport card, you top it up, and then you can use that card, you can tap that card to get through the barriers of all the public transport in the entire city. So again, I definitely recommend that you come to Kadiköy, and I'm going to leave you to it to enjoy the rest of the clip here, or the rest of the video, so you can see how lively the district is, all the bars, all the restaurants. It would be a great place to stay as well, so if you are thinking about maybe staying somewhere other than the city centre, I'd highly recommend Kadiköy because there's so much going on here. It feels like an entirely different city on its own right, separate from Istanbul. So I definitely recommend considering actually staying in this district if you do want to save some money. And of course, eating out and going to bars here is cheaper than eating out and going to bars in the city centre in Sultanahmet and Taksim as well. So I'm going to leave you to enjoy the rest of the video. Please do stay to the end because that's going to give you a chance to see all the hidden gems of the neighbourhood. And I do hope you enjoy the rest of the video. So click like, click subscribe, and do drop a comment if you like the Kadiköy neighbourhood, or if you're planning to come to Istanbul soon, and whether Kadiköy is going to be part of your itinerary. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Please do stick to the end to watch all of these very interesting parts of the neighbourhood.
Başına bela oldu kadın.
Onda 11'de alırım ya abi.
Monta kapı. Monta kapı. Ne monta? Abi nereye gidiyorsun? Sonra gene bakarsın masaya. Mahalleye gidiyorsun.
Evet buyurun.
Canım.